I guess by now everybody's realized that this is going to be a Maytag Model 92 rebuild video. And you see somebody put this automotive coil up there. So right off the bat we can kind of suspect that the coil's bad. So we'll have to address that, and we'll get it off of these big old, I don't know what size them are. They're way too big for the engine. So, and somebody used silicone in the carburetor, so we'll have to look at that too and see what's going on with that. See if we can find a number. Yep, 495618. So we'll look that up and see what year it is. The pulley is bent really bad, so we'll have to try to straighten that out. All the feet are on the base. Everything else looks pretty good. It does have compression. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get it off this wood first, and then I'll just start disassembling the engine. Well, we got it off this big old piece of wood here. So now I'll just I'll get me a little thing of lacquer thinner in a bucket or a pan or something, and all the bolts and everything I take off, I'll put them in a pan and just go from there. So I'm gonna cut you off, and this may be the end of this video. It just depends on how long it takes me to get this thing apart. This phone don't like to be paused for a very long time, but I'm gonna try to pause you and get this thing apart and record some more. If not, thanks for watching.